Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing breakfast for dinner. So, hope you'll all come along with me. Let's work this out. Alright. Of course, any essential breakfast wouldn't be good without eggs, right? Didn't really work this out, did I? Come on over here, little guy. It's taking a little bit too long. Makes it sound like I'm knocking on a door or something. Oh, jeez. Now I have another mess to clean up. And I guess I thought of everything, but apparently I was mistaken. Splish splash. Alright. Let's get rolling on this, shall we? Grab a whisk. Yes. So I'm gonna whisk my eggs up before I add my ingredients. And I did 6 eggs because even though I'm probably not gonna eat them all right now, I do love eggs. Alright, so I'm gonna start with a little salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna add a little thyme. And sweet paprika, not to be confused with smoked paprika, but they are both very good. Just a smidgen of garlic powder. When you're doing breakfast, you don't really want to have that kind of breath. Then I will do some onion powder. If you don't know how long your seasonings have been sitting, it's really good to give them a good shake. Helps break it up. You don't want to dump in a pile of seasoning, you know, if you don't know how long it's been sitting. Previously, that was onion powder, and that is celery salt. And then, just gonna add in just a touch of sage. But again, I don't know how long this has been sitting, so just gonna give it a little tap. Stir. Set that back. Let's fire this bad boy up. What do you say? And typically I always cook with olive oil, but when it comes to breakfast, you need butter. It's the only way to go. When you cook eggs, you need to do them at a very low heat. Very, very low. Okay, maybe not that low. So when I'm doing this scramble, besides the spices I've added, I'm also going to add onions, tomatoes, peppers, not peppers, I'm sorry, cheese, ham, and parsley. So when you're making a scramble, you actually want to add the ingredients first before you add the eggs. I know that may sound a little strange, but it's just kind of the way you do it. And I do love me some ham, I tell you what. I guess, you know, if there was a word to describe me, it would be that I am a meatitarian. As opposed to, you know, obviously the opposite. So let's get that going. A bit more fire. Yeah. I think I might do just a little more salt and pepper. And another hand wash, of course. Now I think I'm going to crank this up some more. Obviously, when you're doing any egg dish, you're gonna need one of these, you know. So. Starting to look pretty good. Alright. Alright, thinking it's just about time to add these eggs. Okay, now when you're cooking at a very fast heat, it's important that you keep moving the ingredients around all the time. Okay, apparently I'm not cooking at a fast enough heat. Oh, yeah. See, there we go. Very good, very good, very good. Keep moving this. This is a very hot heat. This is very high, so you constantly have to keep moving it. And in fact, I'm actually going to take it off there because I need something a little bit faster to cook with. And when plastic doesn't cut it, wood will. And this is exactly about the point that I'm going to add all this wonderful cheese. Now let's get to work. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at it all coming together. Oh, that melty cheese. Everything's coming together. Awesome. Tell you what. You can make a scramble. Anybody can make a scramble, but to make something so savory and delicious takes time and talent. Alright. Kill the heat on that. Grab a plate. Oh man. If you could smell this, I think you would say I'm a pretty good cook. Alright, look at that. Let's get some of this on the plate. You'd have to agree, this is looking pretty damn good. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Please check out my YouTube channel. Search Teonius, and I will be back at you with the next one. Thanks a lot.